Greetings.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you too.
Everyday conversations.
What are you up to?
I'm just relaxing at home.
Are you busy?
Not really. What's up?
Do you know the time?
It's 10:30.
Where do you live?
I live in Manchester.
Can you lend me a hand?
Of course, what do you need?
Shopping.
How much does this cost?
It's £20.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Do you have this in blue?
Let me check for you.
Where's the fitting room?
Just over there.
What time do you shut?
We close at 6 p.m.
Traveling.
Where's the nearest bus stop?
It's just down the road.
How far is it?
About 10 minutes walk.
Is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
How much is a ticket to Oxford?
It's £15.50.
Could you tell me the way to the station?
Go straight ahead, then turn right.
Eating out.
Could I see the menu, please?
Of course, here it is.
Does this have meat in it?
No, it's vegetarian.
Could I have the bill, please?
Certainly. One moment.
Do you take contactless?
Yes, we do.
Health and emergencies.
Are you all right?
Yes, I'm fine, thanks.
What seems to be the problem?
I've got a headache.
Could you call for an ambulance?
Yes, I'll do that right away.
Where's the nearest chemist?
Just around the corner.
Do you have any paracetamol?
Yes, here you go.
Work and study.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a graphic designer.
Where do you work?
I work in a firm in Birmingham.
What are you studying?
I'm studying business management.
When's the deadline?
It's next Monday.
Could you help me with this?
Sure, let's have a look.
Socializing.
Fancy a cuppa?
Yes, please. Milk and 2 sugars.
What's the plan for today?
We're going to the park.
Are you coming to the party?
Yes, I'll be there.
Do you want to grab some lunch?
Sounds good. Let's do it.
How was your weekend?
It was brilliant, thanks.
Weather.
What's the weather like?
It's cold.
Is it raining?
No, it's snowing.
Will it be cold tomorrow?
Yes, better wear a coat.
Is it going to snow?
I think so. Take an umbrella.
Isn't it a lovely day?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Polite requests.
Could you pass me the salt?
Of course, here you go.
Could I borrow a pen?
Sure, here you are.
Do you mind if I sit here?
Not at all, go ahead.
Can I open the window?
Yes, please do.
Talking about family.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother and a sister.
What does your dad do?
He's a doctor.
Where does your mum work?
She works in a school.
Are you close to your family?
Yes, we're very close.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live on my own.
Making plans.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm meeting a friend.
Shall we go to the cinema?
Yes, that sounds great.
What time shall we meet?
Let's meet at 6 p.m.
Where shall we go for dinner?
How about that Italian place?
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am.
Asking for directions.
Where is the post office?
It's just around the corner.
Is there a bus to the airport?
Yes, it's the number 42.
Is it far from here?
No, it's quite close.
At home.
What's for dinner?
We're having pasta tonight.
Have you done the washing up?
Not yet, I'll do it soon.
Where's the remote?
It's on the coffee table.
Is there any milk left?
No, we need to buy some.
At work.
What time does the meeting start?
It starts at 10 a.m.
Can you send me the report?
Yes, I'll email it to you now.
Who's in charge of this project?
Sarah is the project manager.
Shall we take a tea break?
Yes, let's have a quick one.
At school.
What subject do you like the most?
I love history.
Have you finished your homework?
Yes, I finished it last night.
When is the exam?
It's next Tuesday.
Who's your favorite teacher?
I really like Mr. Johnson.
At the doctor's.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any.
How long have you felt like this?
About 3 days.
Do I need any medicine?
Yes, I'll prescribe you some.
What seems to be the problem?
I've been feeling unwell.
Will I need to rest? Yes, take a few days off work.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning.